I'm most interested in is the selfie stick. Damn, that's long.
That's what she said.
What do you think?
Is it supposed to be in the back or in the front?
That's what she said.
There's a lot of really cool possibilities with this stick.
SOS, lo que dice él.
That's what he says?
Damn it.
So sorry, Insta360. I'm happy to use these things in more conventional ways, but I'm not going to be spinning this thing above my head.
That's what she said.
This little thing can do a lot.
That's what she said. Or he said.
But just make sure that it is completely straight. You'd never want to turn it. The temptation is to, if you have the ability to turn it, is to make it face you.
That's what she said.
And a side-by-side comparison looks like this. Let me shake this a little bit.
And at first I was like, wow, what a package. I wonder, why is this that big? And
That's what she said.
Using Insta360's One X. What else would you need? A bit of rope.
Really? Nothing.
That's exactly why you need an open space. When nobody around, actually I managed to do it in sort of many other places.
That's what she said. So, hey guys, I quickly put this clip together just to let you know that I'm getting the Insta360 One X.
This is huge. That's what she said.
It will be here in 2 weeks, so I'm excited to try it. I hesitated a lot to jump into the 360 sphere, pun intended, so the 360 cameras will be covered on this channel from now onwards. Hey, so on a second note, I used clips from some of my favorite YouTubers' channels. I'm gonna put the links down below. They all helped me to decide, and thanks to them, I'm jumping in. Alright, so thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one, and until then, arrivederci.